on a
Yeah, I know.
matter of collective
yes,
and personal privilege, which can be done anytime.
Yes,
and which has
I mean
priority.
Senator P. Cayetano, there's no
Yes.
problem with that.
What I'm saying is that Senator Marcoleta,
I
told
see.
him he can go ahead of me sa privilege speech, but he chose to rise on a matter of personal and collective privilege
All right,
instead
so-
of a privilege speech. That's my
right.
understanding.
All right, so my question actually is for the majority leader, but if that is the answer of
That's my understanding, Majority Leader. Am I correct?
then we will do away with the agenda if that is the case. Go ahead.
Actually, that's not true, Minority Leader, because the question of personal and collective privilege can be as simple as you cannot hear the sound, may tubig na tumutulo, or may mga police or NBI sa labas. So, collective and personal. Having said that, he gave his speech and we can now go to the agenda. However, Senator Padilla actually had the floor last night, and we only asked him and Senator Pangilinan if we, and of course, the graciousness of the Minority Leader, that we adjourn. So Senator Pangilinan is raising his hand and Senator Padilla is raising. What's the pleasure of Senator Pangilinan? But yes, go ahead, please.
Just a quick manifestation on the
Yeah, if it's a Senator Padilla manifestation lang, no?
yes, just a quick manifestation
Yes.
on the earlier speech delivered by Senator Marcoleta. Mr. President, I understand the resolution has yet to be referred.
Yes.
It has not been calendared. And we believe, after consulting with the authors as well as our minority leader, with due respect, we disagree with a number of the points and arguments raised by Senator Marcoleta, but that we prefer that the resolution be referred to the Committee on Rules, wherein we can discuss and perhaps hear it, Mr. President.
You're correct. We will follow the procedure. My
Thank you.
understanding is his rising on a question of personal privilege is why he took offense with the resolution.
And we share.
Yeah, and not the merits or
Yes.
whether or not we're going to pass it or not or put it on the floor.
Yes, and we're just sharing the sentiment
Yes.
of the authors that
That's
while
in
we
order.
object and do not agree with a number of the arguments raised by Senator Marcoleta, we would rather that the same be referred to the Committee on Rules, where we can ventilate the issue further.
Your manifestation is in
Thank you,
order
Mr. President.
and at the proper time because it's not in our calendar of business.
Yes,
Senator,
Mr. President. Mr. President, may I respectfully refer the personal and collective privilege of the good senator, Senator Dante Marcoleta, to the Committee on Rules, Mr. President. So move.
is there any objection? If not, it's referred to the Committee
Yes.
on Rules. Senator
Mr. President,
Padilla?
I was about to, with the indulgence and with the approval of the body, as mentioned a while ago by our distinguished Senate President, the floor was, yesterday, Senator Robin Padilla has the floor, and he is seeking the floor, Mr. President. May I be allowed first, Mr. President, to, may I move that we acknowledge and recognize the good gentleman, Senator Robin Hood Padilla.
Senator Padilla, you're recognized.
Maraming salamat po, Ginoong Pangulo, at sa ating pinunong mayorya. Mga mahal kong kasama, mga kagalang-galang kong kasama, at mga karespeto kong mga kasama, meron po akong naiwang usapin kahapon sa ating sesyon. Tungkol po ito sa asal o decorum ng isa sa ating kasamahan. Kaya naman, muli po akong humingi ng pagkakataon na makapagsalita ukol dito upang ipaalala at bigyang diin ang ating mga alituntunin dito sa Senado. Naniniwala po ako na mahalagang mapanatili natin ang respeto, paggalang at kaayusan sa bawat pagdinig at talakayan. Ayon po sa ating rules, ang sabi po dyan, Section 93, Rule number 34, Unparliamentary Acts and Language. Ang sabi po dyan, acts and language which offend a senator or any public institution shall be deemed unparliamentary. Sa wikang Pilipino, ang mga kilos kilos at pananalitang nakakasama ng loob sa isang senador o alinmang pampublikong institusyon ay itinuturing na hindi naaayon sa kagandahang asal ng parlamentaryo. Malinaw po na sutuntunin na ito ng Senado na anumang kilos at pananalitang nakakasama ng loob sa isang senador o sa alinmang pagpampublikong institusyon ay hindi katanggap-tanggap. Bilang sanggunian, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang isang video ni Senador Kiko Pangilinan kung saan makikita ang isang mainit na palitan sa pagitan niya at ng isa pang nating senador at ngayon ay Senate President bilang halimbawa ng kontekstong aking tinutukoy.
Pwede mo ba sabihin sa anak mo, anak, pag mali sila, gumawa ka na rin ng mali. Anak, okay lang mangbastos kasi mas bastos sila eh. Anak, okay lang magbully kasi mas bully sila. Ako, hindi ko sasabihin yon. Ako, sasabihin ko,
At hindi yun ang sinasabi.
hindi, yun ang sinasabi mo, Mr. President, and I'm
No,
not yet
Mr.
finished.
President. Of
Kasi
course
you said, tama
We
si
beg to
Tariela.
disagree,
Mr.
Mr.
President, I'm not yet finished. No?
Well, we beg to
So, Mr. President, this is the question. The resolution,
Ayun po. Nakita po natin na napakagandang halimbawa na ilang beses pong gustong magsalita ni Senator Kiko Pangilinan na hindi dumaan sa tamang procedure na hindi binanggit ang Mr. President. Pumapasok po siya sa usapan, ngunit naging magalang ang Senator Alan Peter Cayetano sa mabuting pananalita. Sinabi po niyang, I'm not finished. Kahapon po, nakita po natin ang pangbubulyaw ng ating kasama. Ang sabi po nila, tayo daw po ay balat sibuyas. Hindi po yan pagiging balat sibuyas. Ito po ay nasa rules of the Senate. At ang sabi din po ng ating dating Senate President, na ito daw po ay nangyayari talaga. Nagsisigawan. Mga mahal kong kasama, kung ikaw ay nagsasabi ng iyong talumpati at ikaw ay passionate, okay lang yun. Pero para sigawan mo ang kasama mo, nasaan ang rules of the Senate? Si Ginoong Kiko Pangilinan ng ating senador ay ilang beses na pong senador. Ako po ay neophyte kung tawagin. Napakainam po sana kung pakitaan niya ako ng magandang asal at ipakita sa akin na ganito, iho, ang pagsasabi ng I'm not finished. Hindi yung I have the floor with the burning eyes and the very high voice. Ladies and gentlemen, on record po ito. Nangyari po ito on record sa Senado. Humihingi po siya ng pag-abot ng kamay sa akin, hindi na on record. Paano ko po tatanggapin ng kamay niya? Ginawa niya yan on record. Kaya sana po, hinihingi po natin bilang pakikiisa sa aking dasal, na siya ay, kung siya talaga ay nais niyang mag-abot ng kamay, on record. Sabihin niya mismo sa plenaryo na siya ay nagkamali. Katulad po ng ginawa ni Senator Lacson na tumayo kanina at nagsabing siya ay nagkamali. Hindi po ito usapin ng lalabas tayo sa media at sasabihin mong balat sibuyas ako. Di tapon na natin itong rules of the Senate. Tapon na natin to. Di pa natin pala susundin eh. Mga mahal kong kasama, ang sinasabi ko dito, tanggalin natin yan sa record dahil ayokong mababasa yan ng aking mga anak at apo na ang isang Muslim senator ay sinisigaw-sigawan dito sa plenaryo. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat po sa binigay niyong pagkakataon.
Thank you very much, Senator Robin Padilla. We recognize once again Senator Kiko Pangilinan.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, ang suggestion ko ay dahil napanood ko kagabi sa balita na nais pong magsampa ng ethics case laban sa atin na si Senator Robin Padilla. So ang suggestion ko, isampa na yung ethics case at doon na po sa ethics committee natin pag-usapan ito dahil marami pang ibang mga mas importanteng bagay sa aking paniwala ang dapat nating talakayin. Maraming salamat po. For the record, Mr. President.
Thank you very much, Senator Pangilinan. We recognize Senator Padilla once again.
Wala na po siguro mas importante kung rules of the Senate ang pinag-uusapan natin. So, ang ibig pong sabihin ba niyan na hindi kayang mahumingi ng paumanhin ng isang veteran senator? Para sa kanyang pagtaas ng boses? Yun po ba?
Nakikita ko po ang matamis ng ngiti ni Senator Kiko Pangilinan.
Napakahirap po bang sabihin nun? At kailangan pa natin umabot sa ethics?
May I suspend session first?